Microsoft powertoys is one of the most useful apps for Windows 10. In this video, I'll be going over a few key features that can really help you in your work. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any of them. The first feature I want to talk about is the text extractor tool. Now I have this assignment where I need to design a table. As you can see, I can't select the text here, and since I'm feeling a little lazy, I don't want to type it all out from scratch. But here's what I can do. I press Windows plus Shift plus T and it extracts the text. Then I just paste it into Excel, column by column. And in seconds, I have all my text ready. Pretty easy, right? You can even use this tool for some other cool stuff, so try it out. The next useful tool in powertoys I'd like to discuss is the shortcut guide. Windows comes with a lot of features, which include shortcuts to save time. Now, how should you go about finding these? Well, you can use the shortcut guide, which I just mentioned earlier. Now, let's say you want to try out the voice typing feature on Windows, but you don't know the shortcut keys for it. Press the Windows key, Shift, and the / to open the shortcut guide. As you can see, not only do you have the shortcut keys for voice typing, there might be many more features that you might have never known existed. Press the Windows key followed by any of these letters to activate the shortcut. The next feature I want to discuss is advanced paste. If you think this is just a regular tool for copying and pasting, think again. I have some code here in C language. Why am I coding in C language? The hardest language to learn? Well, I'm an Anyway, if I copy all of this while pressing Windows plus Shift plus V, I can paste it into any format provided here. Also, if you connect an OpenAI API key, you can easily paste anything in your custom format. The always on top feature lets you pin any important items so that even if your focus is on another window, you can still access them quickly. Just press Windows plus Control plus T, and as you can see, the calculator app is pinned in one place. Now you won't have to worry about the hassle of managing a workspace. I don't know about you all, but this next and final tool is something I found incredibly helpful. The color picker tool lets you select any color from your screen. For example, if you're working on a design and come across a color you like but don't know the code for it, simply press Windows plus Shift plus C. This allows you to easily identify the color you want. Then you can just copy the color code you have now and then paste it into any different designing app. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to press that like button and subscribe for more videos.